gosh, this is like the dirtiest box I've ever gotten in. So my test tube is, look at, do you see like my fingerprints? Look at this. It is so dusty. My fingers are turning black, you guys. So thanks to my UPS driver, I have a really dirty box, but my test tube is here. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. I do lots of unboxings over here, so if you're new, welcome. We're gonna be checking out my test tube subscription box today. This is a quarterly beauty subscription, and in my opinion, it is one of the better valued subscriptions out there for beauty. The only thing is, this is typically only going to feature skincare or hair care products in it. You may occasionally get makeup, but I would not buy this box if that's what you're looking for, is a makeup subscription. There are other options out there for that. So if you were looking for a skincare or a hair care box that has a really great value, that features full-size products, this is gonna be a great box for you. So this is the Spring 2025 test tube, and the theme is Brighter Days. With the winter blues behind us, we're embracing longer, brighter days, introducing your spring test tube full of all of the products you need to brighten up. Now, your first official item is going to be the New Beauty magazine. So this will come in every box that you receive. You're gonna get that recent issue. So New Beauty is the one that curates and creates the test tube subscription. The idea is that you're getting products in here to try out and to test. And so that's the idea behind the subscription, but then they also feature their latest magazine. First up, we have a product from the Cleanest Lab. This is the Hydrating Daily Mask and Conditioner. So it is a hair care product. So you'll put this mask on and it will give you hydration, but then additionally, it is going to make your hair less frizzy because it's going to have that hydration in it. That also in turn cuts down on breakage and reduces split ends as well. So hydration for your hair, very important. But this is 8 ounces. So even if you have really thick hair or really long hair, there's enough to use for like months, right? Because typically you don't do a mask every day. Maybe you would if it was really damaged, but usually you only do that like once a week. So I'm like, this is gonna last me forever. So you'll just put this on your hair, leave it for 2 to 5 minutes, then rinse it out. And it says that that will be the conditioner. Oh, you could do it as just a conditioner. But if you wanna use it as a mask, you're gonna put it on and leave it on for at least 5 minutes, but up to 30 minutes and then rinse it out. So you could use this as just like your traditional conditioner, or leave it on longer and it turns into a hair mask. Clever? That is very clever. Now this product retails for $42. Yikes. This product has upcycled jackfruit to protein-rich quinoa seed extracts inside of it. These formulas make them a powerhouse for your hair. It's also scented with sage, lavender, vanilla, and sandalwood. I mean, that sounds wonderful, but I feel like everything's going up anymore. You know, I just have to tell you, beauty is getting to be expensive. Hey, wait, I had this. This is a fragrance kit, and I just opened up, it was the fragrance box from, was it in GQ or was it Allure? One of the two. I forget which box it was because they both put out a fragrance box and I did them so close to each other. I want to say it was in the Allure fragrance box and this was in there and I loved it. So the brand is called Noyz. There are 4 fragrance vials in here and then these are the fragrance scent names. So it's a discovery kit and then it is just sample sized in here. I really liked these fragrances. They were very unique, very different than like a lot of other fragrances out there. So I enjoyed this one and I've been using it already. So I'm kind of excited that there's a second one in here. Or a second one that I was able to get, not a second one inside of this box. But this discovery kit retails for $22 on the Noyz website. And this will feature different vials that have a variety of scents from sweet and woodsy. There's a musky scent. There's also a citrusy one. I felt like there's only one that I didn't love, but the other 3 were like, I love this so much, I'm gonna buy it. So now I'm just gonna keep getting these discovery kits. If you get this box, I'm really happy you're gonna get to try those fragrances because I already recommend. Next up, we have a Object Liquid. Permeate My Ego, a new point of view, the first impression. What am I reading? sequence. Please use the required amount appropriately. I don't even know what this is. So, okay, this is what I've got. It's a cool red box, but I don't understand it. Now, it does say number 2 on this end, and then this one says sequence on it. So I'm guessing it's like a shade name, maybe? So confused. Off the frame. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. What is this? I don't even know. Is it a liquid blush? It's kind of what I want to go with. But this is the packaging. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this packaging. It looks like glass, but it's acrylic. And it looks like your traditional tube, but do you see how it's like crushed and wrinkled, like indented? It looks like this used bottle. And then it's all see-through. This is the cap. If I did a liquid blush, this is the packaging I would use, you guys. I love this. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and we're gonna take a look at it. It's kind of fun because you can see it in there, you know what I mean? I don't know, I love this so much. I'm freaking out over packaging. This may not even be blush. It might be a lip product, to be honest with you. The color is perfect for either or, and maybe they use it for both too. I don't know. But I'm kind of looking at this going, it looks more like a lip product than it does a blush now, right? It's very pretty, very soft. It kind of feels like there's a wax in it of some sort. So it's got a matte, oh wait, it smells like roses. This bottle, I tell you what, this is like the biggest surprise factor. And I'm only on the second item in the box, but I already know we aren't gonna beat this. I love the packaging, but it smells exactly like a fresh bouquet of roses right now. I was trying to figure out, I'm like, where is this at? And it doesn't smell like fake rose oil scent. It smells like the real deal. It smells like the actual flowers. But beautiful shade. It's matte, but it also feels like there's a wax to it because it came out matte, and as I applied it to my hand, the heat has now warmed it up that I can see oils coming through. Got really dark, sorry there. But it gets a little shinier from this. So that's why I'm wondering if there's like some sort of a wax ingredient, but honestly, I don't think I'm gonna be able to read any of this because it says it's made in Korea and everything is in Korean. So I don't know if it has a wax or not. So if you wanted to purchase this product, it retails for $20 and you can find it on Amazon. I'm kind of surprised that they want us to go to Amazon and not the actual brand's website, but it says, look no further than this long-lasting lip tint that will deliver vibrant color with a weightless feel. It's perfect for a bold look, but just a touch of elegance. They also mention that the shade will vary per box. So keep that in mind. If you order this box, you're gonna get this product, but we may have different colors. You know what bugs me though? The only thing that bugs me is when you look on here under key ingredients, all it says is nourishing botanical extracts. That's all test tube gives us for ingredient list. Just botanical extracts. That's all you need to know. Well, now that I've spent like half an hour on just that one product, we're gonna move on to our third item. This is from Face Reality, and it is their Hydra Remedy Gel Serum. So this serum will hydrate your skin, and the idea is that you will have softer, smoother skin after using this, but it's also safe if you have acne-prone skin. So it's 50 ml, full-size product, cruelty-free and vegan. It's all made here in the US with global materials. I did not know that it was here in the USA, so that's kind of an awesome thing. $45, see, it's getting expensive. $45 for this product. If you want to purchase it, you can go directly to the website. This is safe for any skin type. It is a multifaceted serum that will hydrate and soothe your skin and reduce the appearance of redness and irritation. It's also going to give you a healthy skin barrier. Also included in our box, we do have an eye care product. This is coming from Rodial, and it is a part of their Dragon's Blood collection. So Rodial has a very large, broad range of products that feature this dragon's blood in it. This is an eye gel, so it is going to hydrate and tone all of the skin around your eye. So it will make it brighter. It will reduce the look of tired eyes. It's also going to reduce any puffiness that you have or dark circles under there. So it's a really great brand, and I do feel like their products work. $95? Well, holy bananas, I didn't know that. I mean, I'm familiar with Rodial, I just didn't realize this product was that expensive. So $95 if you wanted to go purchase this. I can't believe this is $95, you guys. It is a full-size product. It's 15 ml or half an ounce. I think it's awesome that we have it in a box that only cost me $59 a quarter. So this one item already paid for my box. And I'm only halfway through this box right now. So our next product that we have in here is from Tea Tree. This is their Special Detox. So this is what your packaging looks like. It's 6.5 ounces. It's also going to be a cruelty-free product, and it says that it's a hair care item. Oh, yeah, a scalp exfoliator. Okay, so you're gonna put this directly at the roots, and it's designed to break up any oils or any clogged pores that you might have on your scalp, and that way it will be cleansed. If you have a clean scalp, it will promote healthier hair, and you'll actually promote more growth as well. So keeping the scalp clean is very important. It's also vegan and made without gluten. So the ingredients are going to be salt crystals in here, which that will be mostly your exfoliant, where it will break down any dead skin cells with that salt. But then there's also going to be tea tree leaf oil in here. There's quartz powder, volcanic sand. All of that will be kind of like a grittiness. It's not going to hurt your scalp, but it will really break up any oils or debris that you have. The only downside is I cannot stand the scent of tea tree, you guys. It is not for me, and whenever I see tea tree, I'm just like, oh, I cannot do it. So that's a product that will probably be going up on my website if you guys would like to get it. Since I do pay for this box, I will probably pass that along at a discounted price. So if you like tea tree, it'll be available. That sale goes live on April 4th, by the way, so I'm gonna definitely put this video up before then, but keep an eye out, you guys, on my website. April 4th is when you're gonna wanna check it out. Now, our next product that we have in here is from Aftercare. No, I think it's Neocutis. Aftercare is the product. This is a post-treatment soothing cream. So this soothing cream is 1 ounce or 30 ml. It is a full-size product, and it is also cruelty-free. There's no fragrance in here, no color additives, and dermatologist tested. This is a product you're going to use after having some sort of a treatment. And it says it will boost collagen to that area to promote post-treatment recovery. Now, our expiration date is August of this year. I feel like I had this product once before, so I can't remember entirely, but it says August 2025 is when it expires, so you would want to use this one right away if you order this box. But it sounds so familiar that I feel like I have used it. But let me look this up real quick. Wait a second. Is this on here even? Well, that's strange. Oh, it says it's a bonus oh, that's why. So yes, we have had this product before. It was a free bonus item. It's valued at $156. Well, no wonder why it's a free bonus item though. It's because it's going to be expiring in a few months. I appreciate that they didn't just throw them out, they were willing to give them away for free. So I do think that's awesome. This is the first time that I've ever gotten a free bonus item from Test Tube. So, I mean, all the more so to get this box, you guys. If you feel like you can use the product up before August, it would be another incentive to try the spring box. Which, speaking of, we are still not done yet. So our next product that we have in here is from Nakery Beauty. This is the Lift Tox Multi-Power Firming Rich Cream. There's a lot in there. 60 ml or 2 ounces. So morning and night, you'll apply this to your face and neck. And it mentions that it will help to firm up the skin, but also to hydrate and tighten that skin as well. This is great for dry, depleted skin, or if you have saggy, dry skin as well. It is a whipped consistency. It is fragrance-free. Great. So this is what your jar will look like. It is all glass, so it's a heavy jar, but 2 ounces is what we have here for this one. And then it's supposed to be a whipped consistency. Oh yeah, it is. You can tell. So it's just kind of a cream that you have there. And then, like I said, you can put this on your neck as well. That way it will help to tighten up that underside of your neck. $44 for this one. It's a clinically proven skincare product that is anti-aging, gives you hydration for 72 hours, but it also protects you against future lines, wrinkles, and then it tightens the skin. This is a great box, you guys. $44 for that? I mean, like I said, it's a great value. We've also got a shaving oil in here from EOS. This is their cashmere shaving oil. It is scented as pink champagne cruelty-free, full-size bottle. It does have a pump up at the top. And this is a silky shaving oil that prevents your skin from having razor burn or any other irritation that comes along with shaving. And then last item that we have in our box, I finally made it to the end, you guys. This is from One Kind, and it is their Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. Now this moisturizer, like I said, you're supposed to apply it right before bed. That way you will get better results. It will hydrate your skin, making it softer. It also says that it will soothe any irritation that you have. So if you've got like windburn or if you have sunburn or anything, it will help to calm all of that down. This product features glycerin in here and a bunch of natural plant ingredients. I already know we made back our money on this too, but let me just look this up. $42 is what that one costs. So $42 for that nighttime moisturizer. I mean, you guys, this box, we have to be well over $300 right now, probably over $350 even, because that bonus product was $100 and some by itself too. So, I mean, I paid $59 for this. So that is everything inside of my spring 2025 test tube. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this box? I love it. I mean, holy bananas, this box is worth it like 6 times over. So if you guys want this exact same box, this is what is shipping right now for spring. You'll get all of these items. The bonus product, I don't know if that's while supplies last. I would assume everyone would get that, but that might be the only product that I can't like guarantee you will get. The other thing is that lip product could have a different shade in it than what I showed you guys today too. But everything else you're gonna receive, and it's absolutely worth it in terms of dollars. I do like that they are all full-size products. But like I mentioned, this is definitely a skincare, hair care box. The perfumes, that was a surprise. But also, I'm so happy that's in there. I hope you guys get this box because those perfumes are so good. I would love to hear your thoughts on it and see if you liked them as much as I did. But yes, absolutely, I recommend it. I love the products. I think the brand names are great. Plus, you can't get it any cheaper than that. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Don't forget about April 4th. And I will see you guys all soon. Bye.